Global Omicron surge continues, and this time it is China that is trying to contain the virus ahead of Beijing Winter Olympics that is scheduled to be held in the first week of February. After Henan province, Tianjin became the second and Xi'an the third province where strict restrictions were imposed after certain clusters of Omicron variant cases were found in the community. Here's a report.
With Winter Olympics round the corner, China has started to see a surge in COVID-19 cases in various cities. Recent spike in cases resulted in shutting up of public transportation services from port city of Tianjin to other cities. The city is just an hour from Beijing, hence it has been put on high alert. The port city reported 41 Omicron variant cases this week, making Tianjin the first city in China battling a cluster of Omicron cases. Several cities are asking for mandatory quarantine for those arriving from Tianjin.
These patients are still mainly with respiratory systems such as cough, and some patients also have shortness of breath. This time, the number of patients with headaches is relatively more. But compared with the past, the proportion of patients with diarrhea and loss of smell and taste is relatively less. Overall, the number of patients with fever is relatively less than in the past. We have implemented point-to-point pickup method for those arrivals monitored to be suspected of getting infected or coming from medium and high-risk areas to avoid the risk of transmission.
China is seeking a surge right before the Lunar New Year, which is a peak travel period. But with the Omicron threat, the authorities have put out strict travel advisories.
We have implemented point-to-point pickup method for those who arrived and monitored to be suspected of getting infected.
Lockdown, strict border and quarantine policies and digital contact tracing has helped China in containing the virus so far. But with the spike in cases, how effective Chinese vaccines are against Omicron remains a question.